Hello class, so today we're learning the vowel sounds with Miss Hernandez. So there are 5 vowel sounds in the alphabet. It's A, E, I, O, and U. For our lesson today, we are going to learn and sort the short and long vowel sounds. Now, let's look at the short vowels, which are A, E, A, Again, A, E, A, So the first short vowel is A for alligator. The second short vowel is E for elephant. The third short vowel is I for iguana. The fourth short vowel is A for owl. The fifth short vowel is for umbrella. Now class, let's look at the long vowels, which are A, E, I, O, U, which notice the long vowels say their letter. Once again, A, E, I, O, U. The first long vowel is A for cake. The second long vowel is E for zebra. The third long vowel is I for tiger. The fourth long vowel is O for pony. And the fifth long vowel is U for unicorn. Now class, let's do an activity. Does each word have short or long vowels? I'm going to give you some time to do this on your own to place the short vowels and the long vowels. These are the answers. Did you get them right? For the short vowels, it's bed, mop, hat, tub, and sip. For the long vowels, it's cheese, nose, name, music, and ice. Great work, class. Now you know the short and long vowel sounds.